Is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid T case for the 17 Pro Max going to be worth it for your new phone? Let's find out. Starting off on the back, this does act as a clear case, but as you can see, you do have that nice pop of color on the back. As you know, the back of the 17 Pro Max does have a more color flare on it. So this color plate mimics that, so when you put your phone on it, it looks like that piece is shining through. And that's what's great about these, is that you can actually color match your 17 Pro Max's color with the color corrected case. When it comes to protection though, you do have all the protective features that you need. At the top, there's going to be a whole popped out piece for that camera lens area, so that if you drop your phone at camera lens side down, it'll hit those popped out edges first. There's also bumpers at each corner of the case, so going to be a lot better for shock absorption, especially if you drop your phone on the corners or the sides. And when it comes to the screen side, you do have that bezeling, so the case does hang over the screen a little bit. The case is also going to be compatible with all MagSafe accessories. There is a hidden MagSafe ring on the inside. And last but not least, you are going to get a built-in camera action button right there on the side too. Overall though, if you're looking for a more sleek and simple case for your 17 Pro Max, would definitely recommend this one from Spigen. You can color match it with your 17 Pro Max's color, which I think is awesome. It's got all the protective features that you need. Nice slim design. I think it'll make a great daily case.